Hey there, YouTube surfers. Thought I'd do a quick unboxing of the later case from Lou's Unbox Therapy line of cases. They've been around for a few years, but I ended up ordering this for my 13 Pro Max. You can see this is kind of what it comes, USPS. And I had one on my 12 Pro that I had before my 13 Pro Max, and yeah, I liked it. It's not a lot of protection, you know, but it wow, this, I really don't want you to open it, but it does provide a nice grip on your hand. On your hand, that made sense. A nice grip to hold the phone, and it's a nice thin case as they advertise. So there it is, the later case. And possibly thin, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's open this bad boy up. Nice presentation. And magnetic flap. If you're into that sort of stuff. This was $40, by the way. $40 directly from the Lou Later site. The Later Case site. Ooh, it's so fancy. You can see this has got full camera protection. It's got like a double bezel there. Pretty cool. It's just kind of, case is just kind of floating around the box, which is kind of strange. Nothing fancy there, but Later case, official. And you can see it's very thin. That's it. I mean, that's pretty good quality box if you're into that, but you're not really buying the box, you're buying the case. Put that down for a second. Get my 13 Pro Max, Alpine green with a leather case. Go ahead and take that off. And that comes off pretty easily. I was afraid I'm going to scratch my phone, so let's go ahead and put this down. Let's pop that off. I do like the leather case. I happened to drop my phone from waist height onto the cement with the leather case, and it did scratch my phone a little bit. Can't really see in the video, but I was surprised at such a light drop that the edge of the case actually slid up on a couple of corners and actually scratched my phone. So I was not happy about that. So after that, I got the Apple silicone case, which is not shown here, but that one was pretty good, except it is peeling. Yeah, so anyway, here we go with the later case. Ta-da! Yeah, it fits, snaps right on. Yeah, it looks good. It's like having no case at all. You can see the buttons are exposed. You get the power button, volume rocker, up, down. But yeah, this is a good case for, you know, inside your house, you know, or if you're really careful. And if you drop it on the floor, and if you drop it on carpet or maybe even hardwood, it's probably going to be okay. But it is nice and grippy. It's basically just like adding grippiness to your otherwise, you know, phone that has no grip. So it's a little pricey, $40, but I've seen more expensive cases out there that make me scratch my head. So $40 isn't unreasonable, I guess. The shipping is, oh yeah, be careful when you take these off. I had a 12 Pro 12 Pro, like I mentioned earlier. And just when you pop these off, be careful not to bend them. If you do, they can crack right there. Just be real careful when you take them off. I like to switch my case every once in a while. Some people put a case on their phone and they have it on there for 3 years. I have about 4 cases, that I like to, about, once every month or every couple of weeks, I just put a different one on just to make it fun. So anyway, yeah, nice. There is some protection for the camera. That's raised a little bit. So if you set it down, it's not gonna, it's not gonna hit. I do have a screen protector on here, so I'm not really too afraid to set it down like that. Let's see, I want to see how it works with MagSafe. I don't have a MagSafe device. I'm going to pause the video and go get one. All right, now I've got official MagSafe charger. This is just a stand I bought, off-brand stand, and put it in. Now it does work to charge, but the magnet is not very strong. Now, if I take this out, which I don't really want to do, but I can. I bet let's see. Yeah, if you touch it just put a little bit of pressure on it, it wants to fall right off of there. So that's kind of a bummer. Let's see. If I take this out just for grins, like that, it's a little bit stronger, but I'm gonna do this because I know it's not gonna hold it. So it'll work, but just not real strong. So I do have, I've got these rings you can put on your case. I've never taken that out of there. That stick on the back of your phone. It's just a ring. Maybe that would help. But the con of that is then you have this ring permanently attached to your phone. So, pros and cons of everything in life, I guess. So maybe if you get this case, wireless charging might not work. I mean, it will, but you just won't hold your phone. That's kind of a bummer. Anyway, that's the later case for the 13 Pro Max. Pretty exciting stuff. Have a great day. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.